Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that promises to unlock new perspectives from the sky. This is the 4K professional quadcopter drone, designed to bring advanced aerial capabilities to both enthusiasts and those looking for professional results. Right off the bat, the headline feature is its camera. It boasts a 4K UHD camera, aiming to capture every single detail with impressive clarity. To ensure that footage isn't shaky, it's equipped with a 2-axis gimbal. This stabilization system is crucial for getting that smooth, crystal-clear video and sharp still images, especially when the drone is moving or dealing with wind. The effective still resolution is listed at 12 megapixels, which is standard for capturing detailed aerial photos. Powering this drone is a 2,250 mAh battery. The manufacturer states this provides up to 30 minutes of flight time. That's a significant amount of time in the air, allowing for extended shooting sessions or more leisurely exploration without constantly worrying about landing to swap batteries. For anyone doing serious videography or photography, longer flight times are a huge plus. When it comes to range, this quadcopter can fly with confidence up to a distance of 2 kilometers. This kind of range opens up possibilities for exploring vast landscapes or reaching viewpoints that are further away, ensuring you can capture those distant vistas without losing connection. Complementing this range is the real-time video transmission. It's designed to provide a high-definition feedback to the controller or connected device without noticeable delay, making the flying experience more immersive and allowing for precise framing of shots. Looking at its special features, it's highlighted as beginner-friendly, which is great news for those new to flying drones. Being app-controlled adds convenience, putting flight controls and camera settings right at your fingertips on a smartphone or tablet. The long battery life, as mentioned, is a key selling point. The drone itself is described as having a compact and portable design. This makes it easy to pack up and carry along on trips, whether you're heading out for an adventure, a professional shoot, or just a day exploring. Its versatile nature means it's suitable for a wide range of outdoor applications, from capturing adventure sports to wildlife photography, or simply getting unique perspectives of landscapes. Overall, this 4K professional quadcopter drone positions itself as a capable tool for aerial photography and videography. It combines a high-resolution camera with gimbal stabilization, a generous flight time, and a substantial range, all wrapped up in a package that aims to be accessible even for beginners. It seems like a solid option for anyone looking to elevate their content creation or simply enjoy the thrill of flying and capturing the world from above.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.